Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to make delicious cookies just like Chips Ahoy. First, let's gather our ingredients. You will need 2 1/4 cups of all-purpose flour, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, and a pinch of salt. Also, 1 cup of unsalted butter, 3/4 cup of granulated sugar, and 3/4 cup of packed light brown sugar. Don't forget 2 large eggs and 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract, plus 1 12-ounce bag of semi-sweet chocolate chips. Now, let's mix our dough for that perfect texture. In a large bowl, cream together the softened butter with both the granulated and brown sugars until the mixture is light and fluffy, which usually takes about 2 to 3 minutes. Next, beat in 1 large egg at a time, ensuring each is fully incorporated before adding the next. Stir in 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract. Finally, gradually add your dry ingredients, mixing just until combined. It's time to bake these delicious treats. Preheat your oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. Drop rounded tablespoons of cookie dough onto a baking sheet lined with parchment paper, ensuring they are spaced about 2 inches apart. Bake for approximately 9 to 11 minutes, or until the edges are lightly golden brown. For a chewier cookie, you might want to slightly underbake them. This helps keep them soft and moist. Once baked, proper cooling and storage are key to maintaining freshness. Let the cookies cool on the baking sheet for about 5 minutes. This allows them to set up properly before you move them. Then, carefully transfer them to a wire rack to cool completely. Storing your cookies in an airtight container at room temperature will keep them fresh and delicious for up to 5 days. Enjoy your homemade, chewy chocolate chip cookies.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.